The Arri Alexa is a film-style digital motion picture camera system made by Arri, first introduced in April 2010. The camera marks Arri's first major transition into digital cinematography after smaller previous efforts such as the Arriflex D-20 and D-21. It features modularity, PL mount lenses, a Super 35-sized CMOS sensor shooting up to 2880A, 2160 resolution, and supports uncompressed video or proprietary raw data. Overview. The camera is equipped with an onboard SXS card encoder that can record in either X709 or log-C to ProRes 422 or ProRes 444 codecs, as well as DNxHD in 1080p resolution. For an additional €1,350, Alexa camera owners can purchase a software key that will unlock the camera's ability to record up to 120 FPS in ProRes 422 headquarters. The camera is designed for use in high-budget feature films, television shows, and commercials, and is widely seen as Arri's answer to the growing acceptance of the Red 1 camera, along with lower-resolution cameras like the Sony CineUltra, Panavision Genesis, Thomson Viper Film Stream to shoot feature films. Model range. The range of models has been expanded through the camera's lifetime. In 2012, there were 5 basic models of the Alexa. Alexa equals, the first camera of the Alexa product family. Alexa Plus equals, the Alexa Plus adds integrated wireless remote control, the Arri lens data system, additional outputs, lens synchronization for 3D, and built-in position and motion sensors. Alexa Plus 43 equals, the Alexa Plus adds integrated wireless remote control, the Arri lens data system, additional outputs, lens synchronization for 3D, and built-in position and motion sensors, and a 4:3 sensor, making it ideal for anamorphic cinematography. Alexa M equals, the Alexa M has its imaging and processing unit broken down in 2 parts to be small, compact and lightweight for 3D rigs and other uses where size is a concern. Alexa Studio equals, the Alexa Studio features an optical viewfinder, mechanical shutter, and a 4:3 sensor, making it ideal for anamorphic cinematography. Alexa XT equals, in February 2013, the range was renewed as Alexa XT. This range is upgraded versions of the original Alexa cameras, which are equipped with a so-called EXA module, which replaces the SXS module on the cameras, and allows direct RAW recording without the need for an external recorder. This module records on dedicated SSD drives. Further improvements are an internal ND filter unit, a 4:3 sensor, and a quieter cooling fan. The range accordingly comprises the Alexa XT, the Alexa XTM, the Alexa XT Plus, the Alexa XT Studio, and the Alexa Fiber Remote. Existing cameras can be upgraded with the EXA module for internal RAW recording. Alexa 65 equals, on September 21, 2014 at the Sync convention in Munich, Arri announced the Alexa 65, a 6K 65mm digital cinema camera. The camera will be available for rental only, like those from competitor Panavision. Arri announced details of the camera on their Arri Rental Group website. At the heart of the Alexa 65 is the A3X sensor, the largest high-performance motion picture sensor available on the market today. The sensor has a 54.12mm x 25.59mm active imaging area, which is even larger than the film gate of Arri Euro unregistered trademark S765 65mm film camera. The first production to use the camera was Mission Impossible: Rogue Nation, which was used to shoot the underwater sequence. Additionally, the Alexa 65 will be used to film sequences in the upcoming Star Wars spin-off film, Rogue One, The Huntsman, and the Divergent series, Allegiant. The first feature films to be shot entirely with the camera were The Revenant, Snowden, and The Great War. In April 2015, it announced that Captain America: Civil War would feature 15 minutes of footage shot using a version of the camera built in collaboration with IMAX. In May 2015, Marvel Studios announced that the 2-part Avengers: Infinity War will be shot entirely with the new camera, marking the first time a full-length theatrical film will be shot entirely in IMAX. Alexa Mini On February 24, 2015, Arri announced the Alexa Mini. It has the same sensor as the other Alexa cameras. It features in-camera recording to CFAST 2.0 cards, 200 fps and 4K UHD and camera upscaling. Alexa SXT On March 18, 2015, Arri announced the SXT line of Arri Alexa cameras, which will support in-camera upscaling of Apple ProRes to 4K resolution and Rec 2020 color space. Arri also announced the SXR module, which can upgrade XT, XT Plus, and XT Studio cameras with the SXT features. Sensor information. The Alexa's ALEV3 sensor has 3392A, 2200 effective pixels used for generating an image, 2880A, 2160 pixels are generally used for recording on the Alexa Studio and MN43 mode, and 2880A, 1620 pixels are used for recording on the regular Alexa and other models in 16:9 mode. The rest of sensor is used for look-around in the viewfinder. Alternately, the full sensor resolution may be employed in open-gate mode for resolution-demanding situations. Recording media. The Arri Alexa can record to 1920A, 1080 ProRes 422 or ProRes 4444 on SXS cards, or 2880A, 1620R or to external recording devices. The Arri Alexa firmware 7 increases the resolution on the SXS cards to 2K ProRes 4444. Arri RAW. Arri RAW is a RAW codec similar to Cinema DNG that contains unaltered biosensor information. The data stream from the camera can be recorded via T-Link with certified recorders like those from Codex Digital or Cineflow. The Arri RAW format contains static and dynamic metadata. These are stored in the header of the file and can be extracted with the free web tool Metavisa or with the application Meta Extract provided by Arri. Of particular importance for visual effects are the lens metadata, which are stored only when Arri's lens data system is supported by the lens used. Reception. According to cinematographer Roger Deakins, the Alexa's tonal range, color space and latitude exceed the capabilities of film. "This camera has brought us to a point where digital is simply better," says Deakins. Deakins used the camera to shoot the James Bond film Skyfall. Due to the camera's simplicity of use and high image quality, quite a few network television shows have been shot with the Alexa. Similar cameras, Arriflex D-20 and D-21, Panavision Genesis, Red Digital, Sony Cineultra, Panasonic Varicam, Blackmagic Ursa, AJA Cyan. References. External links, official website, Frameline Generator Advanced FLGA, free web tool for creating highly customized frame lines for the ALEXA and AMIRA family of digital cameras, Metavisa, free browser viewer for Arri RAW metadata.